Good morning, everyone. This is sound sharing in Cupertino, Taku Ironware. This is Sunday sound sharing. So the weather is getting warmer and warmer here, and but I do feel the energy is moving along. You know, last week we went out of Mercury retrograde, so I'm feeling the energy is moving better and better, smoother and smoother. So I've been kind of busy working on my projects, multiple projects. Okay. But last week I showed you some of the photo print, my artworks that I put in the frame, 12 by 12, but I also working on different sizes. So I'm going to show you just quickly some of this. This is my 8 by 8. Okay, these are for sale because I've been feeling like kind of I have to share my artworks for the people that they're interested. So I try to overcome this fear of that people would not appreciate it or nobody want to buy it, those kind of mentality mindset. So this is something I need to work on it. So I try to push myself to, you know, promote whenever I can, and this is my channel, so you know I can do whatever I want, but I was kind of guided and forced to come out. This is a comfort zone, and then fear of nobody will appreciate that. So this is a lesson for me. I need to do that, so I'm here and share with you that this is a lesson I'm going through, as well as show you my artworks that I'm ready to show to the world. Okay, so this is 8 by 8, and it's for sale. And then one will be $11. If you buy two at the same time, it'll be $20. And if you buy three at the same time, it will be $28. Okay, so yeah, this is the different one. These are the ones that I have so far. You may not see clearly, but yeah. Oh, this is very nice. So this is my channel, my YouTube channel, so I can do whatever I want. But at least push me out of my comfort zone and then fear of that not being worth it, you know. And this is a lot of in our life. Whoa, this one's so nice. I love it. This is my dear nation, my dear family. And yeah, so in our life, we have lessons like that. I believe a lot of us are going through those kind of stage of, you know, not feeling worth it. But I'm here with you, and then, you know, we can do this. So we can come out of our comfort zone, and then we just have to step out. Okay? So yeah. So we work on this. Okay, so now this will be a 8 by 8. And these are different sizes, 11 by 14. This is a flower of light mandala. The original one is on canvas. And this is, you see the purple dragon head. Yeah. So this is originally is on canvas board. And this one is also originally on canvas. You know, and this one also with same like a 12 by 12. The price is one for 22, two for 40, three for 55. Okay. So I need to Yeah, this is also on canvas. It's very nice. Okay, I think this one is this way. Okay. Or maybe this way. And this is a file of light with the Metatron cube. To me, when I drew this for Ray, it was like I feel like this is like a balancing between yin and yang, because to me the Metatron cube is a divine masculine energy, and the flower of life is a divine feminine energy. That's why the flower of life I use a silver color, and then the Metatron cube I use the gold color. So it's like a yin and yang type of thing. So I like it very much too. And this one is this is the one when I started to do like a photographic. Okay. And this one. And this one is the Dragon Verse. This is the original one, has already sold to a young couple in a Takuan shop about 6 weeks ago. And that's when I was guided to, I was reminded to start selling my originals. And this one is, you see an I and I right there. I forgot the name. Also, this one is also on canvas. And this one I gave it to my landlord back in Mount Shasta. This is Alan, so yeah. So I don't have an original one, but this is a print. So that's, if you like any of them, just let me know and contact me, you know, anywhere you want. But now I feel better, the energy moving, because I try to get out that comfort zone, and then, you know, so that way it's better. And then now I just have to manifest that the people that they come to get those all my artworks, art pieces. So that's what I'm working, okay? So today we are going to, how about manifest something, manifest wealth and abundance in your life. That will be our today's topic. So we can utilize this sound sharing, and then so during the meditation stage we can manifest. We can send out the intention and turn it over, surrender to do that. That'll be a great idea. Okay, this just came up. I didn't plan on that. But anyway, before we started, I feel like a pump up too, you know. I was going to get my delivery Friday, I was thinking, but then they postponed to next Wednesday. So I was so pumped up on Friday, but you know, but it didn't come, so they postponed Wednesday, which will be okay. But anyway, that's besides of the business. Yeah, last night I recorded a couple of like a video, Zoom video with my dear friends in Taiwan. All three of us, we're 1971, so we all three of us were pig, you know, the year of the pig. So we have a very good conversation, and I'm going to work on that video, make it as well as podcast as well. But I'm just feeling that I'm not going to try to scramble all three together. I'm going to just do it one at a time, even though we have 3 sessions. And we did give out a lot of good information and learning life experiences that we've been having or we are experiencing. So that's very good, and we like to share with the people, you know, whoever drawn to our videos or podcast. And yeah, so I'm feeling like I'm getting busy and busy, different projects that I have to do. Also, I was guided to combine all my 3 books that I have, published on the Amazon, and I'm working on combine them together and then do an ebook publish on the Apple, on the Apple iBook. So that will be also one of my project. The other project I'm working on is also related with the books. Is that I believe like a few months ago I started this meditate with one of my RPs and then share the message come through on the Facebook. I did it 21 days, non-stop 21 days, one per day, and then I stopped at 21. I didn't continue, but I have been getting the idea or feeling that I have to go back and work on it. And I think this is also why I'm pointing out this, my artworks, and doing that. Kind of one thing led to the other, get me back to on that project, continue to do that, just meditate on one of my artworks a day, and then share the message, and then put them, becoming like a book for the future. So that's very good, because I think that's why this whole I think they're all connected. The project that I'm doing this prints and this, they're all connected. So the universe, the spirit, try to send abundance to my way, or get me going to do my projects, my works, my mission, that I'm supposed to do to share with the world. So that's very good. So these are all my projects I'm working on simultaneously. So I'm excited about that, and I'm grateful for it, that I'm able to make the connection throughout the things, in my life. So that's very good. So hopefully you can also get some inspiration, idea from me sharing with you my experience, my life lessons here. So okay, so I think that's pretty much what I'm going to talk about today. So let's get on our manifesting our abundance and wealth session today. How about that? Okay, so let's take a deep breath and slowly close your eyes if you like, and I recommend it strongly, because that way you can be with yourself, focus on yourself, and then connecting with the spirit, connecting with the universe. Take another deep breath. And then close your eyes and then focus on your heart. And let's also focus on your solar plexus. So which is the third chakra, the color of the yellow. Yellow, we know gold color is yellow, like a golden color. And we know our sun is also yellow. So your solar plexus is the energy center in your body. Third chakra, we talk about third chakra. It's like your vitality, like your execution, okay, like your action, where your action goes. If your third chakra is open up, and then you tend to be more like energetic and tend to have a lot of vitalities in your life, and then tend to have ambition that whatever you like to do in your life, or whatever you plan to do, that you will go for it. So focus on your heart chakra and also your solar plexus today, because we need to open our heart to be able to receive, to be able to connect with the spirit, with the higher frequencies and the higher vibrations. Then, because also the heart chakra, the fourth chakra, the color of the green, emerald green, is also the connecting the lower three chakra, root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus, and the upper three chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and the crown chakra. So it's like a bridge. So take another deep breath. We ask for the guidance from the spirit, from our guardian angel, from our guardian dragon, from the master, from the archangels, from Kuan Yin, from Buddha, from Maitreya, from Sananda, Master Hilarion, indigenous, white eagle elder. So whoever come to you now, those are the spirits that they come to help you. They come to help you and assist you with this session of manifesting wealth and abundance in your life. So take another deep breath. And visualize this golden light from the sun, grandfather sun, and coming down from the sky, and then bathe you, your whole body, your entire your field. And all your 7 chakras going through from your crown chakra all the way to the root chakra. And this is a golden yellow sunlight, represent the power, passion, represent the abundance, the wealth. And then surrounding you, go through all your entire body, entire chakra system. And then going out from the bottom of your feet, connecting with the Mother Earth, the root of the Mother Earth, the heart of the Mother Earth. So feeling like this golden yellow light, golden yellow ray also infuse your every single cell and DNA. And then feel like energy is charging up your entire body, DNA, and the cells. And you're well protected, you're well supported by the Spirit. Your star family, indigenous family, Lemuria family, Taylor's family. And take a deep breath, breathe in all those golden light with a feeling of abundance and wealth, and then charge up your entire body, including your cells and your DNAs. And then breathe out, let go all the unworthiness feeling, the fear of not being worth it, not being supported. And take a deep breath again. Breathe in all the golden coins, and then infuse with your entire body, blend it with your entire body. And breathe out, letting go of all the fear of being abundance and wealthy. Take another deep breath. And at the same time, visualize all the abundance coming down from the sky, and then all the gold coins coming down, and then you're receiving all the blessings from the universe, from the spirit, and feel so good, feel so joyful, and feel so happy, and feel so worth it and wealth, and feel you deserve to be happy, deserve to be wealth, deserve to be joyful. And then breathe out, let go all the negativity, thinking and thought and thinking pattern, let go of all of them. So sometimes in our life, we are actually afraid of being so wealthy and being so abundant. But oftentimes we think of the other way around. We don't want to be poor. It's actually we are afraid of we can be so successful, and we can be so abundant. So we would like to shift that kind of thinking today throughout this crystal singing bowl meditation. And then say, yes, I'm ready, I'm worth it, and I'm abundance, and I deserve abundance in my life. So let go of, I don't want to be poor, nobody's going to care, those kind of negativity. thinking positively, then you will draw the positive energy into your life and then manifest the positive attributes in your life. So take a deep breath again. Follow the sound of it and go deeper. Go deeper, down, 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 and feel, or maybe you can visualize or you can see deep down what's stopping you from being great. And use the higher perspective of view to see, to feel the reason of that. And then take a deep breath and then breathe out. At the same time, let go. So we'll continue to bathe ourselves into this golden sunlight, sun ray. So we feel like we're protected. We feel like we're energetic. We feel the vitality. We feel like the ambition that will make our life much better and then make our life go into the right direction, moving up and moving forward. So constantly, continuously taking deep breath. If you feel like energy coming down on top of, and then kind of stay on top of your head, and just taking deep breath. So you can direct the energy coming down to your whole body. Because it's also very important that when we're receiving the higher vibration frequencies from the universe, and normally coming down from your crown chakra. But it's also very important because we have this physical body that we have to ground it on the earth. So we can actually manifest our physical life by utilizing those higher vibration and frequencies that we're getting from the universe. So it's very important that we take in deep breath and then kind of direct the energy down. So you will go through your entire body and then going out from bottom of your feet to connect with the Mother Earth. That way will help you to grounding on the Mother Earth and help you to be better execute your daily life. And also color of the green also represent abundance. So that's why we focus on the heart chakra today, which is the color of the green, emerald green, as well as the third chakra, solar plexus, is a golden yellow light color. Because remember, our money, the bill, is the color of the green. Most of the country, I think, using the color of the green as the color of the bill, of our, money. And all the trees and grass, they're all green, the color of the green. So when you see the green, the trees, the grass, the flowers, the leaves, they're green, you can now connecting with them with the abundance, the energy of abundance that you're receiving from them, and feeling good from seeing them, and feeling good about that, surrounding the trees and grass, And I think it's time to go out, get out, be in the nature. That's why soon, pay a visit to Mount Shasta, because I'm the Mount Shasta ambassador. So I want to promote Mount Shasta. It's a very special place to me, and I'm sure and I believe it will be very special to you as well. And if you live in Mount Shasta, you're so blessed. I envy you, okay? So take another deep breath, and then we show our gratitude to all the invisibles, the spirit, archangels, angels, masters, indigenous family, star family that are supporting us with this session today. And then we give thanks to ourselves that we are willing to open up and then receive the abundance, the energy from the grandfather sun, and the energy from the Mother Earth, the abundance energy, green energy from the Mother Earth. So come back to your body slowly and fully. Take another deep breath. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you. Namaste. Okay? Let's do this one. So that was a session today, manifest abundance and wealth by getting the energy, receiving the energy, utilize the energy from the grandfather sun, the golden light, golden light ray, and then also the color of the green represent the abundance. So from the trees, from the grass, from the leaves, from Mother Earth, a lot of green. So get out to the nature and then, take some walks or, enjoy the sunshine, sunlight, outdoor, enjoy the outdoor activity as well. So I think that's it for today. We are going to see you next week, okay? So please subscribe and then leave comments, whatever you like, whatever you don't like, so we can make the improvement from your comment, from your feedbacks, okay? So see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.